Hey chicas, it's Atavia Perez and I'm back with another wig install. Today I'm working with Ciyoo Hair and this is their 26-inch 13 by 6 lace front body wave wig. It is their ash blonde highlighted wig, so if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this install, stay tuned. This is the wig. This is their ash blonde highlighter wig from Ciyoo Hair. I did wash and condition the hair and went back in and plucked it. You know I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace. I am going in with my Ruby Kisses matte foundation in the color 12 and just putting it all on the lace just to help blend, the lace to my complexion. This is the inside of the wig. It is a 13 by 6. You don't get that much parting space on the side as usual, but everything is towards the middle because it's a lace front. You do get a little adjustable band, and the back of it is different because it has hooks instead of like the drawstring part of it, but you still get that built-in adjustable band as well. So I'm happy and excited to bring another install to y'all, and this one is definitely giving fall. It's screaming fall. As y'all see, it's like a chocolate brown highlighted wig instead of like the natural black or color 2 highlighted wig with the highlights, so it's a little different. I was a little nervous because the complexion of me and then the color is like a 4. I don't know. Since I was hesitant on the color on me, I didn't want to do like a bust down middle part. I just went straight in with like a deep side part. 1, because of the color, 2, because it is a 13 by 6. So I wanted to see how good was the parting space on the wig. And as y'all can see, the parting space is giving. It's definitely giving that 6-inch of parting space towards the back. Is definitely giving. So as I'm parting, I'm over here trying to struggle to get this part, together in the back because I obviously could not see because I did not have a mirror behind me. Yeah, your girl was struggling a little bit, but pretty much once I get this part set, I'm going to go in and do my hot combing and just making sure my foundation is pretty much flat. It's time to lay the lace down. I did cut the lace into sections because I find it better to work in sections instead of trying to lay the whole lace down and just cut your lace into sections because it's easier to work that way. Of course, I went in with my spray, blow dried, and I'm going to do this process 2 times in every section to make sure the lace is nice and secured. I'm cutting the ear tabs, and I did this process a little different than I usually do. I cut the ear tabs after I laid the lace. 1, because every time I would do it beforehand, I just cut off a little bit too much lace than normal. So I said, let me lay the lace down and then see what's left over and then cut the ear tabs. And that helped and saved me so much. I just put my wig band on to make sure my lace is nice and laid. And now this part right here is going to be repetitive and boring. I'm pretty much taking every little section of the wig and making sure I hot comb through to make sure everything is nice and flat. So I'm just basically going in with my edge wax stick, hot combing it and pressing it down so you can have a flat foundation. So this part right here is definitely important and key, because if not, you're going to have like a big lump and a hump in your wig. And honestly, I don't know, at this point I think it's my head shape towards the middle, or maybe it's the way I'm laying the wig, or I need to cut like the comb in it, because it always seemed like I still have like a mountain in the back of my head pretty much sometimes. But I really think it's my head shape, because I will press it down and press it down and press it down, but then it just still don't seem right. So at this point, I think I just got a little cone head on the low. When I say trust the process right now, trust the process. I know I cut off all the lace, but just look at it. I see it. I see it, girl. But I'm pulling out my baby hairs right now, because right now I just feel like with a deep side part, it's essential to have baby hairs. And I'm the girl who really don't like doing baby hairs. If you're new to my channel, I'm just the girl who likes to have like that natural hairline when it's good and nice and plucked. But when it comes down to like a side part, especially a deep side part, I agree with the girls who do baby hairs. It's essential. It's essential. It's essential. So I'm taking out my baby hairs and doing it, and y'all will see in a moment that your girl is getting ready to lay her lace back down again. And when I tell you this melting spray that I'm getting ready to present to y'all is essential and key. A melting spray is so much needed to installs, and I realize that now, because the adhesive spray, even when you use glue or whatever you use, is not the key to laying down your lace and having it melted and making it look very realistic. The melting spray is key. So I'm gonna let y'all sit back and watch, and you'll see the difference in just a moment. Real quick, while I'm doing the layers in my wig, I wanted to go over the pros and cons, and if you know, then you know I'm going to go off with the cons first so we can leave off with the pros. I don't really have any cons. I honestly could say this wig right here is really good. Only thing I must say is that I noticed a red little string in my wig that gave me synthetic or plastic vibe in the wig. That was the only thing. Other than that, the pros outweighed the con. The color is good. It literally looked exactly like the picture that's shown on Amazon for the color, which was surprising to me. The parting space was good. I have really no complaints on this wig. The density, the shedding was very minimal. I mean, the lace was easy and manageable. The wig did come pre-plucked already, so when they say pre-plucked, they meant pre-plucked. But me, I always just go back in and pluck my own little style to the wig, so that's what I chose to do. But if you don't know how to pluck your wigs, you're safe and you don't have to worry about plucking the wig. it already has this little small little plucking details to it. So honestly, that was everything for the cons and pros. I really didn't have too many cons. Like I said, that was the one thing I have to just look out for. By me just installing this wig, I don't know, but me doing this voiceover, it has been a week since I've had this wig, and I honestly can say I don't have any complaints with the shedding or just having any tangles or anything right now. So right now, for it to be a week, it's still in good conditions.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
This part right here, I'm just doing some wand curls. I did a couple with y'all on camera, the rest pretty much off camera. And then I'm getting ready to take off the band. And when I tell y'all, just listen to this part. When I told y'all to trust the process, that's what I meant. Listen to what I'm saying. Trust the process. All I can say is wow. Look at the lace. And I have not done the baby hairs yet. Look at that. Look at that. The melting spray. When I told y'all to trust the process, that's what I meant. The lace melting spray is essential and key to your installs. Even if you don't want to buy from that particular brand, because you know, we've had some things about that brand. I don't know if that's still a thing or not, but I just got what I have and what my hair store has in stock. So yeah, pretty much I had no other choice. But when I say that spray just melted and changed the whole thing, because y'all saw how it looked at the beginning. It looked like, girl, what's going on? Yeah. But yeah, I'm pretty much just going ahead and doing my baby hairs. I did a little bit on camera with y'all, but pretty much off camera is what I need to focus on, because like I told y'all, I'm not the girl who do baby hairs pretty much. So of course it took a while for me to get it set, but it didn't take that long, but it took long enough. And your girl, I feel like I did better, and I did really good on this side part with the baby hairs. I pretty much did a good job. So thank y'all so much. I'm getting ready to close out the video soon. So if you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are interested in watching more videos like this on my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, because if you made it this far and you have not subscribed yet, then what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else that I post. And until next time, I will catch y'all in the next freaking video.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot.